Higa murago shogeshoro. Murago aduda.
Face too much.
Those of just a kid's stomach.
It's a struggle. Welcome to
our channel. Thank you very much. Welcome back. Good morning, good people. It's 6 o'clock now. Today is that one day we've woken so early. We woke up at 4:30. We've never woken up this early, even on our adventure. We were meeting at 5:45 and then head out. So today is day one of our road trip, and the plan is to do Ngare Ndare, and then we do a hike of about 3 to 4 hours and then settle down and rest. So Ngare Ndare does not allow hikes after 2 o'clock, so we have to get there early enough to be able to do the hike in good time and complete before they close the trails. Now, this one is a new experience because it's our first ever road trip by car. It's a camping trip, so we'll be camping for a couple of days in different places. And let me tell you, previously we had everything packed, so we never used to pack like new things or look for stuff. It's either what you took in, you took out, you took back in. Now this time was different. And the fact that we have a car, so we feel like we're moving with a whole house. There is so much space. We are traveling with our amazing friends Mimi and Gishuru. When we arrived, we got so many people here, so our plan for the day has changed. We are going to do the canopy and then we'll just sit and rest. So where are you now?
There's actually a canopy walk. The second longest. Upper two is near Timau.
Is that Timau? Maybe like 12 kilometers? So this is a water area. This is the piped water that you fetch for cooking, cleaning, washing, everything. It's here, right next to the bathrooms. That's how the bathrooms look. Let me show you. I hope there is no one inside. No one. So that's the toilet. And then behind is the shower, the one. It's a cold shower, so don't come here and expect hot water. Mimi ulikuwa unataka kupika nini na hoho? Nilisema tu because we will need them at some point. Good morning. It rained so much last night until this morning. The rain stopped at around 8 in the morning. Wale wananiacha. We made it to Ngare Ndare. We could not do the hike, not because we were late, but there were too many people, and since we were camping here, we opted to do the hike in the morning. Now my face looks terrible. Actually, my hair and my face look like the same color, gray or white, because nyinyi nyote ilifika Christmas, you went and bought the Nivea sunscreen yote kwa maduka zote. So now I bought this sunscreen that just leaves a white film on my face. I look horrible, Jesus. So yeah.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside.
We just arrived at the water, and the waters are brown, so we can't swim. There you see, that's how the water looks like.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me.
So, ndovu iko hapa karibu. Hapa hivyo. Mahali pale hivyo. Somewhere there. That's where the elephant is.
Live, nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memory.
Hey! Woo! We finished!
Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do.
If we did it, you
Can do it!
You can do it. Everybody can do it.
To care about what you
We need to be here, out of here. Okay. Rained down at night, hiked in the rain,
I'm telling you.
and stuck in the mud.
Iko chonjo.
and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright? I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta die. Cause I've been living life